everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, my name is Bella and I'm really obsessed with home decor. Hi guys, happy Monday everybody, happy Monday. It is a brand new month, brand new week. Let's get the week started. I am so excited. But before we start, I want to say a big, giant thank you for all the love and kindness that you guys showed me on my video on Friday, the video I did, the shopping haul with me and Angela. Guys, being a single mom, you have no idea what it means to me. When everybody shows me that kind of love and kindness towards my little girl, it just means the world to me. And she did reply to a lot of comments, and I know she's still working on them. She said to me, "Mom, wow, this is a lot of comments." I said, "I know." And so I just really want to thank you guys. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I hope you had a great weekend. My God, Sunday here was so beautiful. And today is just as gorgeous. I mean, I woke up and I cannot believe the weather we're having. Like, thank God spring is here. Okay, spring is here, which means Easter is here, which means I need to do my Easter mantle. I am starting to Easterify my house. Is that even a word, Easterify? Probably not. Okay, so I'm starting to decorate for Easter. I love to seasonal decorate. It's become something that, I mean, I always did it, but I really love it. It is one thing that I love. And I came up with this idea. I mean, I kind of saw it on Instagram. The lady did it a lot different, but I came up, I want to do it on a budget, but that's for my kitchen. So we'll worry about that in another video. Okay, I am going to try my best and film this mantle decor for you guys. I don't know how I'm going to film it because the spacing here is very odd. So I might have to do it in bits. So let me show you what I did. I did change this basket. I had this basket on here previously. It is a hanging basket. Mine is from Hobby Lobby, but you can also find one in my Amazon store, which is linked down below. And what I did is I added some more white and some more purple flowers. I'll pan in real close so you can see them. I added some of these purple flowers and this hanging wisteria that truthfully is from the Dollar Tree. And look how cute that looks. I just think it turned out so pretty. So that is what I'm starting with. And I'm also starting with a blank slate on my fireplace, which I've already cleaned. And wait till you see my idea. Okay, guys, let me give you a small brief explanation as to what I'm going to do and what my thinking is. Okay, so when I decorate seasonally for any season, be it Christmas, Easter, or any season really, I like to tell a story. I like you to think of a story that goes along with the decor. So in this mantle and in my family room, it's gonna look like the bunnies got loose in a garden. And they are just creating a muck everywhere. So that is my idea. That is the idea that I'm going for. That the bunnies got loose and they are running amok in a garden. So let me show you the first thing I'm going to use. First things first, I'm going to use 5 of these cascading picks. They are very pretty. They're pretty realistic looking. And they're from my local dollar store, which is Dollarama here in Canada, right? That's amazing. I know I hauled them last year and they were very inexpensive. I want to say they were no more than $2.50 to $3 each. And this is very substantial. And I'm also creating this vignette on a budget. So keep that in mind that you can try and think outside the box when you do stuff like this. But I'm gonna put all these on, these 5 picks. I'm gonna put them on the fireplace and then I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, so here you have step one. I added my greenery picks and I just kind of tied them together, guys. I'm not using anything, using their own personal branches. So this is the base I'm building. Now I'm gonna start placing my bunnies, and I want them at different levels, and I have a total of 6 bunnies that I'm gonna use. So I'm also gonna put some of them on little wood blocks and some pedestals. You'll see that in a second. Okay guys, so you can see here that I've added my bunnies. Some of them are on a pedestal and some of them are on these little wood blocks that I have. And they're just, all over. They're in groups of 2. Let me pan back and you can have a better view. Okay, they're in groups of 2, and it looks very, very sparse. So now the third thing I'm going to do, is I'm going to fill in with some greenery picks. And then I'm going to start adding lots of interest. Okay, now you see that I've added the greenery picks, and you no longer can see the little wood blocks or pedestals that the bunnies are on. And adding a couple different of greenery picks, it really does give so much more interest to the mantle, and it truly a garden, because obviously there's lots of different greens in a garden. So that's what I wanted to mimic. Okay, now you can see that I'm starting to add some color. And guys, these are the little carrots from the Dollar Tree, and they come in a pack of 4. And honestly, seasonal decor does not have to be expensive. All you have to do is use your imagination. And the next thing you'll see is also from the Dollar Tree. So there you go. And I think the little carrots add quite a bit of color. Okay, now I added my little pots, and these little pots again are from the Dollar Tree, and they come 4 in a pack. And I have them like leaned over and spilling over because, again, my idea is that my bunnies have gone wild in the garden, so they've tipped over the little pots. So now let me show you what I'm going to add. Here you can see that I now have added the eggs, and they're just kind of scattered everywhere. But I'm going to show you the mantle all by itself, like all together. But I just want to give you a quick look. But what I really want to talk about is this right here, these 2 candle holders that are sitting at the base of my fireplace. And I made these last year, and I would call them blooming candle holders. And I just want to give you a small explanation on how I made these. And guys, these are so simple. And they really, really make a really nice impact on any candle holder. So cute, right guys? So cute. But I want to show you this. So last year I made these for Easter time, and they're so cute. And look, they held up amazing in my bins. All this is a little piece of floral foam from the Dollar Tree, and then I stuck in the little tulips, the little greenery, and it just to make it look like a little garden, and some of these eggs. And these are very sparkly eggs. Last year I did a more sparkle, like a lot more blingy sparkle. But I got these. I've always been a fan of moss bunnies. These are picks, and you can find them at Hobby Lobby. I think these ones are from Hobby Lobby, because I just love moss bunnies. I have a fascination. I have like a love affair with moss bunnies. But you can always do something like this to add to your candle holders. This is such a great idea, and it gives them such a good look, right? And it does tie in with my fireplace. Okay, let me put this back. I'm gonna take you off the tripod and show you the fireplace in its entirety, and then I'll come back and say goodbye to you guys. hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you lots of inspiration to think outside the box. You know, I could have used a garland that is like this, and a garland like that hangs down that much would have been very expensive. I just used stuff from my local dollar store. I mean, my bunnies are not cheap, but they are an investment to me because I know that I'm going to have them for years and years and years. So all my other stuff, my fillers, are always a little less expensive. Dollar store, Dollar Tree. I mean, those carrots from the Dollar Tree, guys, that is a fantastic buy. The little pots, the little clay pots, they're a fantastic buy. I mean, 4 for $1. I mean, truthfully. And if you were to do this, not using dollar store products, this would cost quite a bit of money. So I think it turned out really good. Some people may like it and some people may not. I love it. I think it's just enough color. It tells the story that I wanted to tell. My basket turned out so good. And again, the basket, guys, all that stuff is from the dollar store and Dollar Tree. So you just use your imagination and you can come up with anything. I mean, truthfully, if you use that imagination. And, you know, decor is supposed to be fun, and seasonal decor is my favorite. I love doing seasonal decor. I love it. So I hope you guys like this video. I want to say thank you again if you made it to the end. Thank you so much for Friday's video, guys. Thank you so much. You know, being a single mom, I get nervous, you know, how people are going to perceive my daughter and stuff like that, because, you know, I'm a big mama bear. I am. I'm a big mama bear. And the kindness and the love, you guys, I say this all the time. My subscribers are truly some of the most amazing people. And I read all the comments. Y'all had me in tears. I'm telling you, okay, it's coming out now. Now my emotions are gonna come out. You had me in tears. You know, raising Angela by myself has not been easy, but it's been worth the ride every step of the way. So thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the love and support. It really means the world to me. Okay, before I start crying and look like a hot mess, Bella, have an amazing, amazing week ahead. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I love you very much. And declare, guys. I know it's Monday and I didn't really do a motivation today. Declare that something amazing is going to happen. I'm declaring that I am going to find my dream house. Yes, that is it. I am declaring that I will find and buy my dream house. That is my declaration for this Monday. Have a fantastic week, and I love you, and I'll see you very soon. Bye, guys. Bye, everybody.